Hello everyone. In this video I am going to show you how you can register for TCS NQT exam. Okay. So before registration, let's see what is NQT. Okay. NQT is a national qualifier test, as you can see here. Let's see more about it. TCS NQT is a multi-level assessment to assess the following competencies and skills. Competencies on core cognitive process required for entry-level jobs, industry-specific knowledge and insights, and specialization on skills required to perform various job roles. Alright, so let's see about the test. So here you can see TCS NQT cognitive skills is a prerequisite for all the tests. So this is the mandatory test, the cognitive skills one. I will show you these tests. And your TCS NQT score will be valid for 2 years. Means if you give the TCS in August or November, so it will be valid for 2 years. You can choose to give exam in online mode or offline mode as well in TCS centers. Candidates with NQT score will be eligible to apply on the TCS IM job listing portal. It means with your NQT scores you can apply to TCS as well as the partnered companies. So if you are undergraduate, postgraduate and diploma students and you are in your pre-final and final years, then you can give this exam. A student with any degree and specialization, freshers with less than 2 years of experience. So if you are from any of these, then you can apply to this TCS NQT. So these are some brands that acknowledge TCS NQT score, like TCS itself, Titan, Equifax, Data Patterns, and many more. You can see here. So these are the TCS NQT variants. We need to choose that which test we need to give. Okay. So you need to decide that which NQT exam you need to give based on your degree. If you don't know how to select variant or you are having some confusion in selecting variants, then you can see my video on TCS NQT variants by clicking on I button at the top of video. Okay. This NQT cognitive skill exam is mandatory, means if you are from any branch, then it is compulsory to give this exam. Okay. You can apply from here also, or you can apply through this apply now button, and it will also make you go on this. All right. So what you need to do, you need to click buy button. If you are having your account on this website, which is learning.tcs hub, then you can just log in, or if you are not having your account, then you can register with any of this. So I have logged in. So after login, it is showing me this page, which is my information. Okay. So you can put your personal details here, like your name, your email, and other things. You need to put your 10th roll number here. Okay. Here you need to give your educational details, like which degree you are pursuing or you have completed. So you are from which degree, you need to mention here. Next thing is the exam details. So you need to choose if you want to give the exam in August or November. Okay. So you can click on anything whenever you want to give exam. And here you need to choose that if you want to give exam online mode or in offline mode. So you can fill any of them. So if you choose in center, then you need to choose your city. You can choose your state from here and city from here. Okay. Now you need to upload your photograph. You can type this CAPTCHA code and click on this declaration and you can submit it. Okay. And after that you will see that your application form has been submitted successfully. So we have registered for this TCS NQT cognitive skills. Okay. Now your application will not be complete without making the payment. So you need to pay first, around 600 rupees you need to pay for this test. Then only you will be able to receive the login credentials before the exam. Okay. And if you want to change your information, like if you want to change this information that you have filled, then you can change it before the registration ends. Okay. So you can click on proceed and you can click proceed to pay if you want to pay, or if you want to add other products also, then you can cut it and choose from here. All right. So in this way you can register for TCS NQT exam. If you are having any doubts, then you can ask in comment section. And if you want to know more about the TCS NQT variants, then you can see the video. All the links will be provided in the description box. So that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, then you can hit like button. If you are new to my channel, then please consider subscribing. I upload these type of videos on daily basis. So thank you.